Hey there, Jason here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to filter your repeating group. So I'm going to use the same app that I've been using for all these tutorials. I've got my artist list here that just shows the artist and the genres they belong to. Now, this obviously isn't too bad because there's only 5 in here, but once you get a big list, being able to filter would be a very good idea. So I've got my list of genres here that are pulling from a genre thing, and when I switch these, I want to just filter the options in this list. So in Bubble, what you're going to do is I'm going to go to my artist management page here, and I'm going to update the name of this drop down, filter by genre, and then I'm going to go to my repeating group where I'm doing the search, and I want to filter where genre contains the item in that dropdown. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to check ignore empty constraints because I'm going to do this as simple as possible, and once you start to get into multiple filter options, you need to set this ignore empty constraints, so it's going to ignore any dropdowns. So for example, if I had 2 or 3 different dropdowns for filtering up here at the top, then I would add all of those as constraints, and then ignore empty constraints basically means it's only going to look for the one that has a value in the dropdown. So now what I need to do is nothing. It's done. So I can go back to this artist page. I can click on artists, filter by genre, choose country, and there you go. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So the next thing I'm going to do is make a very quick reset button so you can get the original list back. So to do that, I'm going to add a button, label it reset. Let's use the secondary button style for this, and center it, and I'm going to add a workflow. The first thing before I add the workflow is I want to find out what is the name of this group, and this is tab 2. Basically what I'm going to do is reset the entire tab, and that puts it back to the state it was when the page originally loaded. So I can click on Start Edit Workflow and just simply use the reset option, reset a group or pop-up, and I want to reset the entire tab. And that's it. So now I can reload this, click on Artists, I can filter by whatever I want, and then I can reset it back to the original list. So this works with any number of drop downs or combinations of buttons and checkboxes and things like that. It's a simple way that you can put filtering in your list. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.